Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the skin precisely. Clean the area with soap and water, then dry it completely. Oils block adhesion. Once done, trim any hair or shave small patches so the sticker lies flat. Make a placement test by holding the backing against the skin to confirm size and orientation. Next, cut the sticker close to the design to remove excess film. Leave a small corner tab to hold during application. These first steps set up a smooth transfer. You now apply the sticker with steady hands. Peel off the clear protective film, then align the adhesive layer exactly where you want it. Once aligned, press the center and smooth outward to remove air bubbles. Use firm, even pressure. Make sure to wet the paper backing thoroughly. A saturated cloth or sponge for 20 to 30 seconds works best, and keep the paper still, avoiding sliding motions that smear the ink. Hold the wet press steady until the ink feels set. You finish by revealing and protecting the tattoo carefully. Lift the paper slowly at a shallow angle. If the image lifts, press back and re-wet for another 10-20 seconds. Allow the tattoo to air dry for 5 to 10 minutes, then optionally seal with a light dusting of translucent powder or a quick mist of skin-safe spray to extend wear. If the image smudges, don't rub, re-wet the paper, press again, and let it set. That troubleshooting step rescues most transfer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.